Up first, news from India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the valedictory celebrations of the Adi Thiruvathirai festival in Ariyalur district of Tamil Nadu on Sunday. The event marked the birth anniversary of the legendary Chola Emperor Rajendra Chola I and the commemoration of 1,000 years of his maritime expedition in Southeast Asia. Prime Minister Modi also released a commemorative coin in the honour of Rajendra Chola I. He also announced that grand statues of Rajaraja Chola and his son Rajendra Chola I will be constructed in Tamil Nadu. A report.
The majestic Gangaikonda Cholapuram temple in Tamil Nadu, a glorious symbol of India's ancient heritage. As the sacred Adi Thiruvathirai festival unfolded in full splendor, Prime Minister Narendra Modi marked his presence at this historic celebration. The air reverberated with devotional chants and traditional music, a spiritually uplifting experience. This festival was a tribute to the legendary Chola Emperor Rajendra Chola I, commemorating his birth anniversary, the 1000th year of his successful Southeast Asian military campaign, and the beginning of the construction of the iconic Gangaikonda Cholapuram temple. Rajendra Chola I, one of India's most powerful and visionary rulers, expanded the Chola Empire's influence from North India to Southeast Asia. Addressing the gathering, the Prime Minister hailed the Chola legacy as a declaration of India's true strength and called it a roadmap for building a new India.
हमें हमारी नेवी को, हमारी डिफेंस फोर्सेस को मजबूत बनाना होगा, हमें नए अवसरों को तलाशना होगा और इस सबके साथ ही अपने मूल्यों को उसको भी सहेज कर रखना होगा और मुझे संतोष है कि देश आज इसी प्रेरणा से आगे बढ़ रहा है.
The Prime Minister praised the Chola kings for weaving India into a fabric of cultural unity. He said that government initiatives like the Kashi Tamil Sangamam and Saurashtra Tamil Sangamam are aimed at reviving and reinforcing age-old bonds of national unity. PM Modi emphasized that India under the Cholas had touched unparalleled heights of economic and military progress, a legacy that continues to inspire the nation today. Referring to Operation Sindoor, he said, the operation sparked a new national consciousness, compelling the world to take note of India's rising strength.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के दौरान दुनिया ने देखा है कि कोई अगर भारत की सुरक्षा और संप्रभुता पर हमला करता है तो भारत उसे कैसे जवाब देता है. ऑपरेशन सिंदूर ने दिखा दिया है कि भारत के दुश्मनों के लिए, आतंकवादियों के लिए अब कोई ठिकाना सुरक्षित नहीं है.
In a major announcement, the Prime Minister declared that grand statues of Rajaraja Chola and his son Rajendra Chola I will be erected in Tamil Nadu. The massive crowd at the Adi Thiruvathirai festival responded with overwhelming enthusiasm, celebrating the historic legacy and the Prime Minister's presence in their midst. Bureau Report, DD India.